In the currency quadrant, taking a look at the September British pound futures that had a small bounce today with good volume after falling 1.84% from three-year highs. On June 13th, the pound hit its highest level since February 24th, 2022, 3 years and 3 months ago. That's a 1.84% drop from that high to this morning's low at 133.90. This morning's low is also down 0.25% from yesterday's close. On the other hand, today's high, 135.19, was up 0.72% from yesterday's close, and with a little bit of time left in the session, we're still up about 1/3 of 1%. On a weekly basis, the pound will finish lower for only the fourth time in the last 12 weeks by 0.74%. The Bank of England released a rate decision on Thursday that could be classified as a cautious hold. The BOE held its bank rate steady at 4.25% this week with a 6-3 vote in favor of the pause, citing sticky inflation about 3.4% and global uncertainty such as energy price shocks and a weakening job market as it signals a return to gradual rate cuts later in the year. Now, those fears may have been assuaged slightly by the retail slump showing in this morning's UK retail sales data. May retail sales collapsed, printing the steepest drop in 18 months, driven by a 5% plunge in food store spending, reflecting squeezed consumers and weakening domestic demand. This sharp miss gives investors hope for the next Bank of England rate cut, likely in August or later, as the economy shows signs of cooling and the Bank of England faces this growing pressure. On the economic front, this data hints at a broader slowdown. Retail underperformance and sluggish economic momentum could signal the end of the strong start, weak finish pattern seen annually in the UK economy in recent years. With annual inflation still above target and wage growth faltering, markets now see roughly a 60% chance of a rate cut in August, aligning with the Bank of England's cautious stance and that weak retail sales number.